my feet, sat by the river and it
You forget something?
complete.
Yeah, I did.
Really? What did you forget?
I'm getting old and I need something.
This.
So you came all the way here at 11 o'clock at night to bring me back a promotional pin?
Yeah. Yeah, I thought I should just come up with some really great excuse to get over here. That's how it's done, isn't it?
Sometimes.
Like, I can't stop thinking about you. It's a problem. I drive by your place, I call and hang up. I'm turning into...
Me.
Yeah.
A wise person once told me that if a guy wants to be with a girl, he will make it happen, no matter what.
That's true.
But when I was hurling my body onto yours, you did not seem to want to make it happen.
Okay, yeah, all right. Here's the thing about that. You were right. I've gotten so used to keeping myself at a safe distance from all these women and having the power that I didn't know what it felt like when I actually fell for one of them. I didn't know.
Look, I just went out with your friend Bill, and
Yeah.
he might be just exactly what I need. No drama. He calls, he does what he says.
I could do that stuff too.
But you didn't. And that same wise person told me that I am the rule. That I have to stop thinking that every guy will change. That I have to stop thinking that